The Lonely Lion. Once upon a time, in a big forest, there was a lion named Leo. Leo was strong and brave, but he was very lonely. He lived in a big cave, far from other animals. One sunny day, Leo decided to leave his cave and go for a walk in the forest. As he walked, he met a small rabbit named Rosie. Rosie was cute and friendly. "Hello, Leo," she said. "Why are you so sad?" Leo replied, "I am lonely. I don't have any friends." Rosie smiled. "Don't worry, I can be your friend." Leo was happy. They walked together through the forest, and soon they met a wise old owl named Ollie. "Hello, Leo and Rosie," said Ollie. "What are you doing?" "We are walking together," Leo said. "I found a new friend." Ollie nodded. "It's great to have friends. Friends can help each other." The three animals became good friends. They spent every day together. They played, talked, and helped each other when they needed it. Leo was no longer lonely. He was happy because he had two wonderful friends. From that day on, Leo, Rosie, and Ollie were always together, and they lived happily in the forest. Thank you so much, guys. I hope you enjoyed the story. Now answer the questions about it. 1. What is the name of the lion? Ollie, Rosie, Leo, Leo and Rosie. 2. Who did Leo meet first in the forest? A tiger, an owl, a rabbit, a bird. 3. What did Leo feel at the beginning of the story? Happy, lonely, angry, tired. 4. What did the owl say about friends? Friends are not important. Friends can help each other. Friends should be animals. Friends should stay away. Five. What did Leo, Rosie, and Ollie do together? Played, talked, and helped each other, fought, slept, eat together. One. Leo was happy at the beginning of the story. 2. Leo found a friend named Rosie in the forest. 3. The owl was young and playful. 4. Leo, Rosie, and Ollie were always together at the end of the story. 5. Leo lived in a small house in the forest.